Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get taller. While genetics play a significant role in your final height, there are several lifestyle factors you can optimize during your growth years. Focusing on these areas can help you reach your full potential. We'll cover key aspects like nutrition, sleep, and exercise, all crucial for healthy development. Remember, consistency is key to seeing any potential benefits from these practices. Proper nutrition is fundamental for growth. Your body needs a steady supply of protein to build and repair tissues, including bones. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily if you are very active. Calcium is vital for strong bones, so include dairy or plant-based alternatives. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively, so try to get 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure daily. Exercise and good posture can significantly impact how tall you appear and feel. Activities that involve stretching and jumping, like swimming or playing basketball, can encourage spinal decompression and strengthen core muscles. Aim for at least 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity most days of the week. Always be mindful of your posture, whether sitting or standing, to avoid slouching and maximize your perceived height. It's important to have realistic expectations about height. While lifestyle factors can optimize your potential, genetics ultimately determine about 80% of your final height. Most people stop growing once their growth plates fuse, usually between 16 and 18 years old for boys, and 14 and 16 for girls. Focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle for overall well-being, which offers countless benefits beyond just height.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.